Welcome back to Speak Smart English. Listen and practice these 50 questions and answers between Emma and Jack. What is your name? My name is Jack. Where do you live? I live in a small house. What do you do? I am a teacher. What did you do yesterday? I went to the park. Where are you from? I am from Canada. What will you do tomorrow? I will visit my friend. How old are you? I am 10 years old. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is pizza. What are you doing right now? I am reading a book. Did you eat breakfast today? Yes, I ate cereal. What will you wear tomorrow? I will wear a jacket. Where do you go to school? I go to Oakwood School. What did you do last weekend? I watched a movie. Do you like to play sports? Yes, I like playing football. Did you go to the beach last summer? Yes, I went to the beach. What are you going to do after school? I am going to play video games. How often do you read books? I read books every day. Do you like animals? Yes, I love animals. What did you have for lunch today? I had a sandwich. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 7 a.m. Where do you want to go on vacation? I want to go to the mountains. What did you learn at school today? I learned about history. Do you play any musical instruments? Yes, I play the guitar. What did you watch on TV last night? I watched a cartoon. What are you going to eat for dinner? I will eat pasta. How many brothers and sisters do you have? I have one brother. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. Did you like the movie you saw yesterday? Yes, it was great. What time do you go to bed? I go to bed at 9 p.m. Do you like to cook? Yes, I enjoy cooking. What is your favorite season? My favorite season is summer. Where did you go last weekend? I went to the zoo. What do you do after school? I do my homework. What will you do when you grow up? I will become a doctor. What did you eat for dinner last night? I ate chicken and rice. What is your favorite sport? My favorite sport is basketball. What do you like to do on weekends? I like to hang out with friends. What did you do this morning? I brushed my teeth. How many hours do you sleep at night? I sleep for 8 hours. Will you visit your family next holiday? Yes, I will. Where did you go last holiday? I went to the countryside. What are you going to do next weekend? I will visit my grandparents. What is your favorite hobby? My favorite hobby is drawing. What did you buy yesterday? I bought a new book. Will you play outside tomorrow? Yes, I will play with my friends. How do you get to school? I walk to school. What did you do last night? I studied for my test. What are you going to study? I will study English. Do you have a pet? Yes, I have a cat. What is your favorite movie? My favorite movie is Toy Story. What is your favorite season? My favorite season is summer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning with me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Keep practicing and stay tuned for more exciting lessons. See you in the next video. Bye for now.